Promoting your Airbnb listing effectively can increase its visibility and attract more guests. Consider these strategies. Optimize listing details. Craft an engaging title and compelling description highlighting unique features. Use high-quality photos that showcase your space attractively. Set competitive pricing. Set reasonable and competitive rates for your Airbnb listing compared to similar listings in your area. Enhance amenities and services. Provide additional amenities or services that add value, such as complimentary snacks, Wi-Fi, or local guides to attract guests. Get positive reviews. Aim for positive reviews from guests. Prioritize excellent hospitality and communication to encourage positive feedback. Utilize Airbnb features. Take advantage of Airbnb's features like instant booking, special offers, or promotional discounts to attract guests. Leverage social media and online platforms. Share your Airbnb listing on social media platforms, community groups, or travel forums. Create engaging content showcasing your space. Offer special packages or experiences. Provide unique experiences or special packages to attract guests, such as guided tours, cooking classes, or local recommendations. Host events or workshops. Consider hosting local events or workshops within your space to increase exposure and interest. Maintain communication and responsiveness. Respond promptly to guest inquiries, address their concerns, and maintain clear communication throughout their stay.